you follow the channel, you know we're building this 7.3 IDI diesel race truck. You also know, since I moved to this town, they're really not impressed by my vehicle collection. That goes on, and on, and on some more. So I'm going to show you how I got the town to sponsor my race truck build. Alright guys, so we got the load with all the pieces and parts and stuff that we've pulled off the race truck over the last few months. And yeah, I've waited a few months because it just wasn't worth driving clear to the dump and getting rid of it. But let's see what the truck weighs with all that stuff on here. And then once I dump it, we'll see what it weighs. So 8620 we're at. We'll come back over the scale after we dump it all. And we're getting the town to dump it for free. They're doing a free dump day this weekend, and I'm gonna go ahead and throw some more on this load actually, but I'm gonna take it to the free dump day and let the town council that can't stand me, can't stand my trucks, know, hey, thanks for supporting the race truck, giving me your contribution, your sponsorship, appreciate it. If you follow the channel, you know the absolute mess that my Quonset hut building was in, and behind the Quonset hut building when I bought the property. But I've been making a lot of progress getting things cleaned up. So all the race truck parts are at the bottom and a bunch of trash at the top. We've got it mostly unloaded. We're getting the last of the race truck stuff thrown into the dumpster. Unfortunately, the mayor took off, so I can't thank her for sponsoring the race truck. Anytime I want to make a video, I swear, this train thinks that it's its right just to cruise on through town. Alrighty, so with the train as background music, let's see what we're at. We're at 8,020. That means we stripped a little over 600 pounds off this old girl to get her in racing shape. That 600 pounds doesn't include the fuel tanks or that headache rack we cut off. But we'll just say it averages out because we've got this Nissan seat in here. And we added a roll bar as well as our own fuel tank. Really guys, this video was done kind of in gist. A little bit of a towards the mayor. But it does tell us that we saved about 600 pounds building this thing into a race truck, parts, pieces stripped off. And above all else, man, the whole purpose of this channel is to let you guys know, believe in what God gave you, take on projects, build, fix, create. Don't be sitting around idle. Don't be wasting your life. Don't be wasting your time on this earth. God blessed us, each and every one of us, with some sort of gift, some sort of strengths, some sort of skills that we can pass on to this world. So get up off your couch and go use them, guys. Till next time, keep building shit.